The grade 10 and 11 learners from Pelo Secondary School got the opportunity to see the practical part of things in the electrical industry when they had visited Mopani Training Academy at Ga-Phooko on Wednesday. Something which the learners had explained as a great experience because it helped them to understand better what their educators are teaching them at school.
So today we came here at Mopani Training Academy and we learned much about circuits and electricity. The thing that I learned is that the thing that they are doing here is fundamentally the same as the thing that we do at school, and there is no any special physical thing that is different from what we learn in our books. The same thing that they do here is so easy. I thought electricity was so just something that difficult to do, but I think it's an easy thing now, and I'm even interested on electricity and learning much on Mopani Training Academy.
Moreover, they had emphasized that practicals are more comprehensive than theory.
Especially ka mahae re khona o thusa ba baulu ba dijulurgen abazibisilo o ba ba libeji ba bangwe re no ba le default ka hae but ra se zebe cause auna muthu yo a re teacher ga electricity and ka ra di buku o ka se disise more than we bona in reality. Yeah, so Mopani Training Academy e re thusa hore re khona o bona dilo ha botse ebile re di twisise re khona o butsisa le dilo je e ditilo re a re di twisise.
Their class teacher, Mr. Muila, said that this is a great initiative by Mopani Training Academy and will help to produce more electrical engineers in Sekgosese.
I just want to thank Mopani Training Academy for this kind gesture. This is plowing back to the community, especially if it is done by the product of the very same school they've invited. We feel very honored to have been part of this training. And it instills love to the learners, especially the science learners, because we are in dire need of science learners. And we're lagging behind in that field, in that we don't have proper teaching personnel in terms of science. And electricians are very scarce to find. And one other advantage is that one of the electricians is from at the very same school, coupled with the manager. And it has been helpful. They allowed me to come and represent the school and accompany the learners who willingly did so. And on top of that, we would love to encourage them to expand their knowledge to the neighboring schools, not only our schools, so that as Mopani can conquer in terms of electrical engineering.
The facilitator at Mopani Training Academy, Vincent Machete, said they had familiarized the learners from Kgomo with house wiring and motor starters, amongst others.
Today, with the Kgomo student, we showed them how to do house wiring. We started with the house wiring, and then we went on to motor starters as applied in electrical machines. We started off by the star delta starter. I showed them how the star delta starter works. And then I also gave a brief discussion on the variable speed drive starter. And then I showed them the advantage of using the VSD starter. And then later on I showed them the direct online starter on the forward and reverse single phase motor, how it is started, and then when do we apply that method. And yeah, so I think more is gonna happen as time goes on. We also going to invite neighboring schools, high schools, for them to come and witness the practical side of electrical engineering.
Interestingly, he was happy with the participation from the learners. However, he thinks they still have more to learn.
Yeah, the learners' response was quite good, although they still need to pull up so that we can be in the same level, So there is a lot of things that they still need to cover, more especially on the laws that apply in physics.
Mopani Training Academy is planning to build a relationship with local secondary schools. This was confirmed by Dimakato Lebepe, who is the administrative officer.
We are working on building a relationship with all the schools, the high schools, so that when we pass the knowledge rate high. So Mopani Training Academy works with electrical engineering, heavy current. What we do is from 5 years about the electrical engineering. No, you go further your studies what your electrical engineering, then after that you come here for practical. As you can see, different kinds.
The academy is based at Ga-Phooko village in Sekgosese. I am Kanye Light, the news reporter for Sekgosese Insider.